Understanding get used to. A grammar lesson. Get used to refers to the process of becoming accustomed to an action or state. While it might have been different or challenging at first, you gradually become more familiar with it. The structure of get used to follows this pattern. Subject plus be plus getting used to plus a noun or gerund. This shows that the subject is becoming accustomed to or familiar with something. For example, I'm getting used to getting up early. Here are a few more examples. We're getting used to helping with the chores. I'm getting used to playing in midfield. He's getting used to waking up early. I'm getting used to early morning runs. It can also be used in the past tense. The structure is subject plus got used to plus a noun or gerund. This shows that the subject is now accustomed to or familiar with something. For example, you got used to big cars. Take a look at this timeline of events. The subject starts an unfamiliar activity. Over time, the activity becomes easier until he is completely comfortable with the activity. I soon got used to carrying heavy boxes. It can also be used in the future tense. The structure is subject plus will plus get used to plus a noun or gerund. This shows that the subject will become accustomed to or familiar with something. For example, she will get used to living in a flat. Take a look at this timeline. The subject starts an unfamiliar activity and predicts it will become easier in the future. The boss said I'll get used to carrying heavy boxes in a few weeks. We can also make this negative. The structure is subject plus will not plus get used to plus a noun or gerund. For example, we will not get used to working late. Here's a few more examples. We will not get used to living on the top floor. I will not get used to losing matches. And finally, we use the structure. Subject plus be plus not getting used to plus a noun or gerund to show that the subject is struggling to become accustomed to or familiar with something. For example, they are not getting used to loud traffic. And a few more examples. He's not getting used to the new treatment. I'm not getting used to being a parent. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.